All right, so we are at the Seaside Mall here in Cebu. And you guys, this mall is absolutely gigantic. You wouldn't believe that this mall is this big. And then a few miles away, there's another mall equally as big. The malls here in Philippine are enormous. They're beautiful, spacious. Yeah, they definitely are aplenty. And all the stores that you could want, they're here. In a few minutes, we're gonna take you over to the DJI store just so you guys can see where we bought a drone yesterday. So we will be having drone footage as soon as I learn how to fly the thing in our videos, and hopefully get you some cool stuff from here in Cebu. But let's just walk through the mall, let you guys check it out.
The SM Seaside Mall in Cebu boasts over 700 stores, including numerous dining options and personal care services. And it's located in the South Road Properties, a prime reclaimed area in Cebu City.
You guys are not gonna believe all the stuff I'm about to show you. They have a bowling alley here, ice skating ring, all kinds of kids stuff. But most importantly is a DJI store. For some reason, we don't have any DJI stores in California. I love going anytime we're here. The other really cool thing about the malls here in Asia is that they are segregated. So this is all electronics and anything to do with mobile phones, cyber stuff. And here we are, we have found the DJI store. Let's go in and take a look. And here, right here, is the drone we bought yesterday. Hey, how are you? No, I did. No. She's joking. Let me show you guys. Check this out. Right here is one of many kids' activities that they have here at the mall. And let's just keep walking so you guys can see this. They have a dental implant and cosmetic surgery center, skin station for beauty. But that's nothing, guys. Wait till we keep on walking and I'll show you what we have over here. And yes, Super Pets Club, because I've never seen more dogs in diapers than I have here in the Philippines. Everybody.
And baby harness too.
Yeah, and baby harness. They bring their dogs to the mall in strollers, baby harnesses, and they wear diapers. And it's awesome. But take a look. Another dental spot right there. And then more skincare. Nail salon. Waxing. Right here. They do waxing. Another dental location, orthodontist it looks like. This is spot number one for the kids. Look at this. It's an indoor, just playland for kids. The fun box. And here's another playland for kids. This one's dinosaur themed, which is really cool. Keep walking, and here's another kids area with inflatables and all kinds of things to do. Check this out, guys. There's archery at the bowling alley. Look at this. We shoot real bows and arrows through there. Look at this. You got a bowling alley, pool tables, and in the back corner over there, they got ping pong tables. And this is called SM Bowling and Leisure Center. You got the world of fun.
Lots of games.
Lots of games. Let's take a look in the bowling alley real quick. Look at how cool this is. Yeah, pool tables, bunch of lanes. Tom's World, which is more games. We'll walk over by there. Look at this. A whole games and activity center. Gotcha prize. There's zero reason for your kids to be bored if you bring them to the mall here in the Philippines. Check this out. This place is called Bibo. Bibo. And look at this. Games galore here at Bibo. And last but not least, if it's a little too hot for you outside, they've got an ice rink. And it's not just any ice rink. And this is a full-on ice rink. She just ate it. And then over here, I'm not sure how old you are if you're watching this, but if you're a youngster like me, you definitely remember Sbarro from back in the day. Check it out, they have Sbarro here. Got to show you guys just how neat. Look at this. You guys aren't going to believe this. They have ice bumper cars. Take a look. Right there, you have a whole ice bumper car track set up. How cool is that? Across the way, a place called Quantum. And that over there is a bunch of games for the kids. And now we're at the start of the Cyber Zone again. Look at that. How beautiful. And outside, that is Cebu. And look how big this mall is. We're up on the 4th floor, which is really the 5th floor, but they call it the 4th floor. Elevators here have attendants in it. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. Here we go. And look here. Down on the bottom floor, you got luxury car dealership. You got Porsche, Audi, all down here. This is the lower ground. This mall is your one-stop shop for everything. In case there wasn't enough for your kids to do, I have a train that runs through here. You got a supermarket. And now we're gonna make our way out. This place has everything you need for taxis. You just walk right out. Taxi cabs are here, and this is a taxi drop-off point. So let's get ourselves a cab. And we are now here at the site of Magellan's Cross. And this is a place where Magellan, when he was on his voyage around the world, landed, and they marked it, they commemorated it with a cross. Let's take a look.
Located in Cebu, Philippines, Magellan's Cross marks the spot where Ferdinand Magellan planted a cross in 1521, introducing Christianity to the islands. A symbol of faith and history, it remains a beloved landmark today.
And here is Magellan's Cross. And this here says Magellan's Cross. This cross of Tandola wood encases the original cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan on this very site, April 5th, 1521. So just across from Magellan's Cross, which is right behind me, there's the Basilica del Santo Niño de Cebu. Just so you know, if you do come here, they have a dress code. And so you can't wear shorts and you can't wear dresses. So that excludes me and it excludes Vanessa. We have violated the dress code for the day, but hey, that's all right. We're gonna walk around the neighborhood and we're gonna see what else there is to do around here. Mingle with some locals and check it out. Look at the markets. Here they got the Santo Niño, rosaries. So you see all these little green doors here. Behind the green door are these stalls, and they all have things related to the church and the Catholic faith. I must say though, the weather is not that bad. It has been scorching hot the last few days, and today is actually pretty decent. Oh, they're burning the candles on the ground. Oh, no, thank you. And here is another little market across the street from the Basilica, which is right there. Look at how beautiful this building is, this church. Gorgeous. When we have the proper attire, we'll be back and we'll take you guys for a tour inside. But for now, let's just enjoy the neighborhood around. Little food stalls. Hello. Hello. Look at this motorcycle. Yeah. Here you see a local park. Seems like a lot of the school kids come after school and they're hanging out, working out, practicing their dance moves, their TikToks. Look over there. Got a group dancing. So here we are at Fort San Pedro in Cebu. And let's, hey.
Oh yeah!
You gotta love the locals, man. They're all super friendly. They all say, welcome to the Philippines, and they always wave and say hi to the camera. Let's see what we find here. Let's go that way and we'll get on the grounds. Whoa, you got motorcycles everywhere.
Step back in time at Fort San Pedro, the oldest triangular bastion fort in the Philippines. Located in Cebu City, this historic landmark, built in 1738, served as a military defense structure during Spanish rule.
Check out the park here, guys. You got people practicing juggling bottles. You got guys in wigs. Let's just keep making our way through, but this seems to be the place where school kids come to hang out and do activities and practice their dance routines. And here we go, right to the entrance. You notice up there, they got the Santo Niño right in the fort. And that's all part of this whole area from Magellan. Let's take a look inside. Oh, yeah, we could go inside through here, right? I don't know. Let's see. Here we go, walking in. Oh, sorry. What? Oh, closed. All right, that's okay. Oh, okay. Closed.
Already? It's 7.
I don't know.